expanded form. Means we have to write the number in expanded form. So taking an example of it, say our number is 7235. Okay, so this, like this is at ones place, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, so 7 can be written as thousand, plus 2 is at hundredth, plus 3 is at 10, plus 5 is at ones. So here 10, here this thousand has 3 zeros, means 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. Something to the power 0 is always 1. The question here is 9120053. We have to write this in expanded form. So just remember one thing, we will first write their places. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000s, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh. Okay, so here 9 is at 10 lakh place, so 9 into 10 lakh. Okay, plus 1 is at lakh place, so 1 is at 1 into 1 lakh, plus 2 is at 10,000 place, so 2 into 10,000, plus 1000 is 0 is at 1000 place, plus again 0 is at 100 place, plus 5 into 10 place, plus 3 into 1's place. Okay, now we will write these number in the form of 0 as in the form of exponent form, in the exponential form. So 9 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means 9 into 10 to the power 6, plus 1 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, plus 2 into 10 to the power 4, plus 0 into something is 0, plus 0 into something is 0, plus 5 into 10 to the power 1, plus 3 into 10 to the power 0. So we are left with 9 into 10 to the power 6, plus 1 into 10 to the power 5, plus 2 into 10 to the power 4, plus 0 will be eliminated, 5 into 10 to the power 1, plus 3 into 10 to the power 0. So if we see in this question, our numbers at 0 place are eliminated here. So this is the this is the expanded form of a number, and in this expanded form we will always get the number with 0. If 0 is at any place, that place is eliminated in the answer. So now if we see in question number 2, D part, the question here is 9 into 10 to the power 6 plus 1 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, so 10 to the power 6 means 9 into 6 times 0 means 9 into this will be 10 lakh. Like see, 10 lakh was 6 to the 10 to the power 6, so this is 10 lakh, 9 into 10 lakh. 1 into 10 to the power 4, 4 is 4,000. Okay, do one thing, if we write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, so this is always 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7. Okay, so at 10 to the power 0 is 3, 10 to the power 1 is 7, 10 to the power 4 is 1, 10 to the power 6 is 9. And the rest the empty places are filled up with zeros. Okay, so our answer becomes 90100073. This was the number from the expanded form, and here was the number to expanded form. This is expanded form to number. You got this point? Like here also we were written this, so means it was 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5 and 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power this will be 3, sorry, yeah, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1 and this is 0. We will always start this notation in from 0. Okay, so this was this, our answer was this, expanded form to the normal. Expanded form using exponents. So our question is 1 2 5 6 7 dot point 2 4 9. So writing its expanded form, what we will first write it as 1 is at, it is like ones, hundreds, sorry, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 1 it has a place, 1 is at place of 10,000, so 1 into 10,000 plus 2 at place of 1,000, so 2 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 7 into 1. This is 10th, this is 100th, this is 1000th. So we can write it, 2 is at a place of 10th, so 2 into 1 upon 10 plus 4 into 1 upon 100, 100th plus 9 into 1 upon 1000th. So what we will do, we will write this in exponential form. We got 10,000 and we can write 10,000 as 10 to the power 4. It has got 1 2 3 4, so 10 to the power 4 plus 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 can be written as 1 plus 1 upon 10 means 1 upon 10 to the power 1, 2 into 1 upon 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 1 upon 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 1 upon 10 to the power 3. And our answer will be 1 into 10 to the power 4 plus 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0 plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. We can reciprocate it and write its power minus 1, plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 2, plus 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is our exponential form. If we have to change a decimal number into expanded form using the exponent, so we will write it in this way. Clear?